unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back to bring you another unboxing for Walmart Beauty Box. Now this is the beauty box for fall, and this is variation 7, I believe. And if you're not familiar with Walmart Beauty Box, this runs $6.98 per month, $7, and you get sample sizes, deluxe sample, and some full-size products depending on what it is. This is a great way to check out products you haven't seen in Walmart or you didn't know if you liked it or not. So this is the perfect way to do that. Everything inside this box is available at walmart.com or inside store. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for fall. So when you open the box, you're going to see the blue tissue. They do have a card. Now this card will tell you what could be in your box. There's even a chance for a mystery item they throw in there. So let's go ahead and see what I got this time. First thing I am pulling out is by NYX Professional Makeup. It is a butter gloss. Is there color on it? It's very brown. So let's see. This is the Professional Makeup Butter Lip Gloss. The full size is $4.97. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'm going to get my knife, cut it. There we go. It is on a doe foot. So this is a gloss. Very nude. Actually, it's a very pretty color. There we go. But yeah, that'll, you know, darken down some of your colors. You just put it over top. I like that. And this also would be like a good lip just by itself, give you some color. That would be really good for the makeup, no makeup look, or is it the no makeup look? Okay, so this one was $4.97. Then the next thing I am seeing is by Heritage, by Mindy Mcknight. I have a headband. This is very fall. These are coming back. They don't really work well for me because my hair is super short. I mean, I suppose I could if I wanted to, but I think I'm going to go ahead and either, if my daughter doesn't want it, I will go ahead and give this away. I don't see this. Oh, this is Heritage hair accessories. This is a full-size item, and they range from $3.88 to $5.88 each. The next thing, which I'm never crazy about these. This one is Yuzu Pineapple. It is an energy drink mix. You put this in like 16 ounces of water, and it's like the equivalent of 3 glasses of water, and it really does hydrate you. I do know a few people that really, really like these, but I tried one, and to be honest, it was too salty, too sour. I didn't really care for it. But the full size there's 6 of them in a box for $9.98. And if you need extra hydration, that's where these come in. Now, the next thing by Milani is Highly Rated Anti-Gravity Mascara. Oh, look how cute. And this is, a full size would be $10.97. Let's see. So this is for up to 24-hour wear, smudge-proof, clump-proof, weightless, and with nourishing castor seed oil. Okay, now I've never noticed, but here's what the brush looks like. And parts of it are for lengthening. What's that one? Volumizing and lengthening. I didn't realize that each part had its own. But I will not be opening this. This is probably black. But I'm not going to open it because, you know, mascara lasts maybe 6 months. The older kinds last only 3. So I'm going to hang on to that. But at least that's, you know, what the brush looks like. So the next thing is by Suave. It is shampoo and conditioner. Up the volume. Sulfate free. Cleanse, volumize for workable hair with volume. This is sulfate free. It's enriched with amino acid complex. There we go. Suave is a very affordable company, affordable products. They are a cruelty-free company. So I got that. And the only things left in here are, tells you about the energy drink. Oh, and I do have the smallest sample ever. It is one pre-soaked pad. It is by Thayer's. It is a facial toner. Very small. I don't even think I have it on my thing here. Yes, okay. So the full size is like 8 ounces, and that would be $7.97. A lot of people like this toner. So I will be trying it. And that is all I have in my Walmart fall box. It was okay. These I keep for traveling. I go back and forth to my son's quite a bit, and these really come in handy. So I got the shampoo, conditioner, a mascara, a butter gloss, hydration packet, headband. So it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad. For $7, it's definitely not bad. And I am really glad that you came by to check this out. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.